Have you seen those crazy food videos online? People are going wild for new and exciting recipes. It's all about bold flavors and unexpected combinations. Forget boring meals. Get ready to unleash your inner chef. In this digital age, food has become an adventure. We're constantly bombarded with tempting images and clever cooking hacks. It's time to ditch the takeout menus and get creative in the kitchen. This isn't about fancy techniques or expensive ingredients. We're talking simple, accessible recipes that anyone can master. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Avocado, the green goddess of the culinary world, is a versatile ingredient. Sure, it's delicious on toast, but don't limit yourself. Think beyond the guacamole. Avocado adds a creamy texture and nutty flavor to smoothies, salads, and even desserts. Try blending avocado into a chocolate pudding for a healthy and decadent treat. Or stuff avocado halves with spicy shrimp for a satisfying lunch. Get creative and discover the endless possibilities of this amazing fruit. Eggs are a breakfast staple, but they're also incredibly versatile. From savory scrambles to fluffy omelets, the possibilities are endless. Spice up your morning routine with a kimchi and cheese omelet. The tangy kimchi pairs perfectly with the richness of the cheese and eggs. For a quick and easy lunch, try a ramen egg salad sandwich. Simply chop up some hard-boiled eggs marinated in soy sauce and mayonnaise and enjoy it between 2 slices of toasted bread. Remember, eggs are your blank canvas. Don't be afraid to experiment and create your own signature egg dishes. Tomatoes, often mistaken for vegetables, are actually fruits. They add a burst of flavor and freshness to countless dishes. Beyond the classic caprese salad, tomatoes can be roasted, grilled, or even stuffed. Their natural sweetness intensifies when cooked, adding depth to sauces and stews. For a simple yet satisfying meal, try tomato and egg stir-fry. The slight acidity of the tomato cuts through the richness of the egg, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't underestimate the power of the humble tomato. Section 5, Broccoli Boost, Power Up Your Plate. Broccoli, often dreaded by children, is a nutritional powerhouse. This green vegetable is not just a side dish, it's a superfood that can transform your meals and your health. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains high levels of vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, which are essential for maintaining a healthy body. Instead of boiling it into oblivion, try roasting broccoli with garlic and olive oil. Roasting not only preserves its nutrients, but also enhances its flavor. The high heat brings out its natural sweetness, while the garlic adds a savory touch. This method makes broccoli a delightful addition to any meal. For a fun and healthy snack, dip raw broccoli florets into hummus or guacamole. These dips add a creamy texture and a burst of flavor, making it a perfect snack for both kids and adults. You can also add chopped broccoli to stir-fries, soups, and even pizza toppings. Its versatility in the kitchen is unmatched, allowing you to incorporate it into a variety of dishes. Embrace the power of broccoli and enjoy its health benefits and delicious flavor. Whether you roast it, dip it, or mix it into your favorite recipes, broccoli is a fantastic way to power up your plate and boost your nutrition. Section 6. Onion Odyssey, Peeling Back the Layers of Taste. Onions, with their pungent aroma and sharp flavor, are essential in countless cuisines around the world. They are the unsung heroes of the culinary world, providing a foundation of flavor that elevates dishes to new heights. Whether you're making a hearty stew, a delicate salad, or a spicy salsa, onions are often the key ingredient that brings everything together, from caramelized onions on burgers to crispy onion rings. This versatile vegetable adds depth and complexity to dishes. Caramelizing onions brings out their natural sweetness, transforming them into a rich golden brown topping that enhances the flavor of any dish. Crispy onion rings, on the other hand, offer a delightful crunch and a burst of flavor that can turn a simple meal into a memorable experience. Did you know that different types of onions have varying levels of sweetness and sharpness? Each variety has its own unique characteristics, making them suitable for different culinary applications. For instance, yellow onions are known for their strong flavor and are often used in soups and stews, while sweet onions, such as Vidalia, are perfect for raw preparations due to their mild taste. White onions are pungent and ideal for savory dishes, while red onions offer a milder flavor, perfect for salads and salsas. The sharpness of white onions can cut through rich, hearty dishes, adding a layer of complexity, whereas the subtle sweetness of red onions can enhance the freshness of salads and salsas without overpowering other ingredients. Experiment with different varieties of onions to discover their unique flavors and add a new dimension to your cooking. Try using shallots for a delicate, slightly sweet flavor in your vinaigrettes, or incorporate green onions for a fresh, mild taste in your stir-fries. By understanding the distinct qualities of each type of onion, you can create dishes that are not only delicious, but also nuanced and sophisticated. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't just reach for any onion. Choose the one that will best complement your dish and elevate your culinary creations to the next level. Section 7. Garlic goodness, a little clove goes a long way. Garlic, a close relative of the onion, is known for its pungent aroma and intense flavor. It's a staple ingredient in many cuisines and is believed to have various health benefits. Add roasted garlic to mashed potatoes for a creamy and flavorful side dish. Or saute garlic with spinach and olive oil for a simple yet satisfying side dish. Remember, a little garlic goes a long way. Use it sparingly to enhance the flavor of your dishes without overpowering them. Section 8. Pepper power, spice up your life. Peppers, available in countless varieties, add heat and complexity to dishes. They come in a spectrum of colors, shapes, and sizes, each bringing its unique flavor and level of spiciness to the table. From the mild and sweet bell pepper to the fiery and intense habanero, there's a pepper for every palate. Bell peppers are perfect for those who prefer a gentle sweet crunch, while habaneros cater to the thrill seekers who crave a fiery kick. Add diced bell peppers to stir-fries for a crunchy and flavorful addition. Their vibrant colors and crisp texture make them a delightful ingredient in any stir-fry, enhancing both the visual appeal and the taste of the dish. Or roast poblano peppers and stuff them with cheese and beans for a delicious and satisfying meal. The smoky flavor of roasted poblanos pairs wonderfully with creamy cheese and hearty beans, creating a dish that's both comforting and full of flavor. Remember to handle hot peppers with caution, as their oils can irritate the skin. The capsaicin in hot peppers can cause a burning sensation, so it's important to protect your skin. Always wear gloves when handling them and wash your hands thoroughly afterwards. This simple step can prevent accidental irritation or discomfort, especially if you touch your face or eyes. Explore the world of peppers and add a touch of spice to your life. Whether you're a fan of mild flavors or love the heat, there's a pepper out there waiting to elevate your culinary creations. Experiment with different types and discover new ways to incorporate them into your meals. From salads and salsas to soups and stews, peppers can transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary experiences. So don't be afraid to spice things up and enjoy the vibrant, flavorful world of peppers. Section 9. Potato possibilities beyond the fry. Potatoes, a staple food in many cultures, are incredibly versatile. From creamy mashed potatoes to crispy fries, the possibilities are endless. Beyond the classics, try making potato wedges seasoned with paprika and garlic powder, or create a comforting potato leek soup for a chilly evening. Remember to choose the right potato for the job. Starchy potatoes like russets are ideal for mashing and frying, while waxy potatoes like Yukon Golds hold their shape well when roasted or boiled. Get creative with potatoes and discover their incredible versatility. Section 10. Experiment and explore. Cooking is about experimentation and having fun in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to try new combinations, explore different flavors, and create your own signature dishes. Share your culinary adventures with friends and family. Post photos of your creations online and inspire others to embrace the joy of cooking. Remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is passion. So put on your apron, grab your ingredients, and let your culinary creativity run wild.